Bucket going up. Goes no problem. Can you go back? So cool. There you go. 12 volts. So this is the 12 volts. There is this function here. When you press, just hold, Anthony. Put your kid to sleep. Look at that, how cool it is. Does a 360 right there. Hello YouTube. I'm excited for this one. Right on. Excavator. What do you think, Anthony? It's gonna be a cool excavator. Item number right here. Can you help me here, Anthony? All right, so let's get every single part out of the box.
Whoa!
Wow, look at this, Anthony. Look at the size of the wheels. Big wheel.
Yeah!
Put in there. All right, so I have all the parts here in the ground. Look at this. Beautiful colors. These tires are so big. You have the controls here. There will be this joystick to operate it. Hold it, Anthony. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna follow the manual for putting this together. Looks like this is the all-wheel drive, 12 volts, and then you have a lot of things here. So let's start with this. First of all, have to assemble this in each wheel, just like that. Now this, left and right, goes like this, okay. Goes like this. And then turn like this. 2 screws. Right here. Get this long wire. Get these long wires here. And I turn this like this. Get this. This bar goes all the way through here.
Yeah. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Hey, this is a
Get
big
one
one.
wheel here.
This is a big one. Okay?
The other one here.
And 1, 2.
Then your washer.
Washer. You can me.
And the nut. Same thing the other side. Washer and nut. Then, where are the tools, Anthony?
Yeah.
Then get these 2 tools here. You need to lock one side and screw.
Yeah.
Now let's do this. This and then this.
Look, I did the thing.
Anthony, don't break it.
I am great.
I think you can put this. Put this on.
I'll put it.
Pega, põe esse negócio aí, Bernardo. Já o parafuso tá aqui já.
Got him? I did it! I did it! Nice. And one more.
Now, time to do this. Such a nice part.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I did it.
I did it! Yay!
I did it.
Okay. So now. Do all the electrical.
Why you could?
3 wires, 3 connectors.
Yeah, you could not and they me careful.
Red into red,
Come on, bitch. Me.
white, and then another one.
Like this.
That's good.
Tick-tock.
Then get this long bolt, take it out. We're gonna put right there.
Daddy.
All right, it's almost done.
Done.
Go behind.
Okay.
Go this way, Anthony. Go here. That's the battery, and really says 12 volts. So this is the 12 volts. This is the controller right there.
Yeah.
And this is gonna be all the controls to do a lot of different things. So we're gonna put this here now and screw this in place. 3 connectors, 2 screws in the bottom, 2 screws in the bottom.
Daddy, it's on the wheel.
Alright, so we have
Because it's on the wheel.
3 connectors here.
Hey, Dad, it's
All right.
on the wheel.
Okay,
It's on the wheel.
Under the car?
On the car. No, there.
I'll get it later. That's okay, Anthony. I'll get this later.
Okay.
Let me just finish this now.
It didn't work? It worked?
Almost there, Anthony.
Almost there?
Almost there.
No.
So, tuck these wires in. Then get this in. Can you get 2 screws for me?
Yeah,
Starts from the screws in the bottom.
I got it.
You got it? Screw here.
Look at that.
Okay, you got it.
I'm with the lot. What?
Got this in here.
Look at that.
Okay, wait a minute. And come this way. Get the seats for me. Everything's connected here. Motor
There you are. There you are.
connected. Thank you, Anthony.
You got
Got this?
Please come here
seatbelt.
now. I'd like
my God. Bro, you need to do that. Bro,
Okay, got the seats in place.
amigo making trays. I'm in there.
Anthony is going for a ride. Close this.
Yeah.
What about your seat belt?
Yeah. I do.
You got this? There you go. Now, Anthony, to go forward, you need to press this both forward. Put your both hands here. Another hand, both hands, and one hand, 2 hands. Go forward. Now, you have to press. Com uma mão em cada Anthony. Don't press any button. Now pull forward. There you go. Stop. Now if you pull back, it goes backwards.
No, amigo.
Go.
There. Amigo there.
Get one hand, pull one back, and then it rotates. Go. All right, he's learning fast. Now, Anthony, you want to rotate, you just pull back one and one go forward. You got this? Learning how to turn. Look at that. Now go forward with both, Anthony. Hey, Anthony, go forward with both so you can go forward. Anthony, you wanna go forward now? He's having fun operating the truck. Go forward. Let's go. There you go. Now turn. Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. To turn, you need to pull this, pull backwards, and go forward. He's learning. Can you turn right there? Can you turn?
No.
Yes, you can. I'm gonna tell you again. Yes, there you go. You can turn. See, it's not hard. Can you go backwards now? Pull both. Hey, pull both backwards. This backwards. All right, you're driving backwards now. And now go forward. Nice work, Anthony. Turn. He just learned in under 2 minutes. Be careful with the street here, Anthony. Can you go back? Can you go back? Good job, Anthony. Now spin. Perfect job. So we have Bernardo here, 10 years old. We're gonna go from a simple lesson on how to operate this. So Bernardo, if you wanna go forward, pull both forward and then it goes forward. Go backwards, pull backwards, it goes backwards. If you want to turn left and right, you pull one forward and one backwards, and it turns. Do it again in the other opposite direction. It turns in the opposite direction. And that's pretty much how you get this to move. And how do you operate this? So you have a joystick right here. So let's see.
So
what does what here?
to go down, this makes this thing go down, and to go down, and to the shovel to go down, you gotta press this.
Ah, look at that.
And then it's
This
the same thing, but
you can use both while you move.
Yeah.
Let's say you're going backwards and moving it. Go. That's so cool. You can actually go really fast in the construction sites. See, Bernardo is 10 years old and this car handles him really well, fits really well as well. Nice. Good job. So Anthony learned how to operate this in 2 minutes and he is 3 years old. But yeah, it didn't took him too long to learn. He's always so curious. Learn pretty fast. Hey Anthony, is there any lights or music? It says right here, oh, battery looks like battery is really low. Oh, look at this function here. Wait a minute. Let me just check this out. There is this function here. When you press, just hold, Anthony. Put your kid to sleep. That's funny. Then you have all the music control lights, which I assume those are the lights, maybe in the back. Hard to see right now in the daylight, daytime. Then you have D2, fast, D1, slow, and you have modes.
I want fast.
Appreciation.
You want fast? This is fast.
Story play. wireless connection.
Go, Anthony. That's fast now. Don't go in the street. Go back. Keep in the sidewalk, okay? Pretty cool. Now Anthony is gonna start playing with this. Bernardo is gonna control for now until Anthony can learn. Do a 360, Bernardo. Look at that, how cool it is. Does a 360 right there. Let's go here in the grass. Okay, stop right there. Well, a little bit more to the other side. Okay, now play with the bucket. Right here, Anthony. Stop there, Bernardo, just a minute. Oh, you have this so you can get in and out. Right here, Anthony, see this? When you press, goes down or comes up. Stop, Bernardo. And this one, you can change the angle.
Maybe we can open that.
What is it? Bucket going up. And now up. Anthony's turning. That's Anthony turning the car. Let me do 360 here. Let's go. Now we have Bernardo, 10 years old, big boy. Do a 360, Bernardo, and let's go. Nice. Can it handle the grass really well? Do another 360 right there. See the wheels spinning. So Bernardo is right now controlling it in the control remote, right there, versus the joystick. Let's see if he can climb here, Bernardo. Let's see if he can climb right here. Go. Goes, no problem. No problem at all. All right, we have the operator here digging some dirt. Go ahead, Bernardo. Just pull it back. Let's see. Okay, nice. Do it again. Get some more here. Go down. Uh-oh, police car, police car. Well, this is Felipe Zafani again. This was not too hard to build. And Anthony is having a lot of fun. I had Bernardo running this as well. It's much bigger. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Did you like this truck? So cool.